Larsen and Toubro Limited (L&T). One of the leading Indian multinational conglomerate, Larsen and Toubro Limited (L&T) was founded in 1938 in Mumbai by two Danish engineers, Henning Holck Larsen and Soren Christian Toubro. L&T is the big player in the construction sector and is headquartered in Mumbai with a global spread of offices and factories. The major contributors to L&T's share market is through ECC, that is Engineering, Construction and Contracts division of L&T. Company has expanded its focus to the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Russia, CIS, Mauritius, African and SAARC countries, also Africa and Latin America. The group is currently chaired by A.M. Naik. DLF Limited. DLF Limited is India's most prominent real estate developer. The group was founded in 1946 in New Delhi by Raghavendra Singh. DLF is involved in construction of residential colonies, shopping malls, hotels, golf courses, offices and retail properties. The group is currently chaired by Kushal Singh. DLF has joint ventures with Lang & Roorkee, a UK-based construction company, Nakheel of Dubai, VSP Group PLC, and DLF has also teamed up with Hilton Hotels to jointly develop hotels in India. Currently, DLF has also sponsored Indian Premier League. Tata Projects. Tata Projects in engineering, procurement and construction contracting company in the engineering sector of Tata Group. It was established in 1979. Tata Projects is ISO 9001, 14001 and OHSAS 18001 certified. Tata Projects is spread through across 3 regional offices, 76 projects at 51 locations. Lanco Infratech Limited. Lanco Infratech Limited is a leading Indian conglomerate mainly focusing on construction and real estate. The company was founded in 1986 by Indian National Congress politician Rajagopal Lagadapati. It is headquartered in Gurgaon, NCR. The company has about 7,000 employees and has a presence in Australia, China, Indonesia, London, Nepal, Singapore, United States of America and other locations in 20 states in India. Presently, the market capitalization of the company is approximately $2.28 billion. Lanco is the fastest emerging as one of the top 3 private sector power developers in India. Jay Prakash Associates. Jay Prakash Associates, the JP Group, is headquartered in Noida and is a 15,000 crore well-diversified infrastructure conglomerate in India. It was founded in the year 1957 by Jay Prakash Gaur, who currently heads the group. The group is involved with the business interests in engineering and construction, power, cement, real estate, hospitality, expressways, sports and education. JP Group owns JP Institute of Information and Technology at Noida and JP Hotel Training Center at Agra also. JP Group is the 3rd largest cement producer in India also.